How are ordinary people using digital marketing to supplement and replace their main income? Watch this brief presentation until the end to claim your free resource materials. Traditional marketing methods such as newspaper advertising and the Yellow Pages have evolved into online advertising such as social media. These include familiar everyday sites such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, and many more. They all have a greater reach of a worldwide audience accessible 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The online global gateway has opened up whole new markets where simple small businesses can for the first time compete with the large multinational companies. As these statistics display, more and more people are now watching YouTube in favor of television. Before, you had to have a very large budget for your business to advertise it on television. To place a YouTube advertisement, it's completely free. So, where would you start making money online? First, you need a product. An information product would be a great start as you can sell it as a download, which is free as there is no shipping and it's instantaneous. And because it's a download, it can be accessible to anybody, anywhere at any time, making it potentially an in-demand passive income stream. But, first you need to test if they are going to be profitable. And you determine this through testing methods almost like setting bait. To find out exactly how you can profit, claim your first free module of our Internet Profits course by clicking below now. Remember, there are absolutely no obligations, no catches and no kidding. Just sheer value. For further useful video presentations, please like and subscribe. Thank you.